a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another March Madness blend. Today's request is coming from Janet Maria, who requested to see the colors 350 orange, 30, and 27 blended together. So that's what we're going to do, but I'm going to switch it up a little bit. For the color orange, I'm actually using this copper color. That's what I have. The other orange that I had was a neon orange. I don't think that was the look that we were going for, so this copper color will have to do. All right, guys, so we are more than halfway into March Madness. Whew, wipe sweat. And we're also slowly approaching 10,000 subscribers. Now, that might not be a lot to some of you, but to me, that's huge. And so I want to do something when we hit 10,000 subscribers just to show my appreciation. So I'm thinking of doing a giveaway, and then so I'm going to try to figure out how I want to do it and what the rules and everything will be. It's going to be pretty simple, but if it's something that you're interested in, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on this giveaway, because the details to it will be in a future video, but it will be coming soon because we are getting to 10,000 subscribers. Yes. But anyways, I'm thinking like the giveaway prize will be one of these blends. You may be able to select up to 4 colors, and of course you'll get multiple bags of the blend shipped directly to you. So yeah, if it's something that you want, definitely stick around. But yeah, I just wanted to do something just to show you guys how much it really truly means to me that you guys are watching, liking, subscribing, anything. And if you know anyone that may be interested in these videos, please share it. Share it to your sis, share it to your cousins, share it to your friend that's interested in stepping out of the box, you know, trying something different, trying something new, or wanting to be creative. So yeah, I'm going to allow you guys now to watch the rest of this video, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow in my next March Madness blend. As always, I hope you guys be blessed, stay safe, stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.